Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you on how to delete your Facebook account. Before I dive into the video, I want to ask you the reason why you want to delete your Facebook account. Comment down below, tell me the reason why you want to delete your Facebook account. Is this your first time seeing me on YouTube? My name is Lukman. I film video about Facebook marketing and how to grow the right audience on Facebook, and also a lot of tips about Facebook. So make sure you hit the like, subscribe button to subscribe to your boy channel. Comment down below why you want to delete your Facebook account. I'm going to show you on my laptop screen how to delete your Facebook account. So guys, let's go. Hey, what's up guys? There are several reasons why you want to delete your Facebook account. Let me know down in the comment section below. So if you want to delete your Facebook account, the first thing you have to do is you click on here, because I'm using a mobile device right now. So you go down and scroll down to your settings icon. I click on the setting icon and you come down to personal account and information. You also hit that. After you hit that, you see your name, your email address, your phone number. You come to account ownership and control. Easily click on that. After you click on account ownership and you come down here, deactivation and deletion, temporary deactivation and or permanently delete your account. You select that options. And why you wanna come here to hit delete account, you press continue. And also there are several reasons here why you wanna delete your account. I spent too much time on Facebook. I have a privacy concern. I did not feel safe on Facebook. My account was hacked. I'm no longer find Facebook useful. You select whichever option you like, but I wanna select this. So you want to select any of those options and click on continue account deletions. And why before you delete your account, you'll be given a several notice that if you delete your account now, you won't get access to it. That has gone. The account will definitely be deleted permanently. These are just like any info you should know before you delete your account. Once the account is deleted, process begin. You won't be able to reactivate your account or retrieve any of the content or information you have added. So guys, you definitely go down and hit on account deletions. Definitely go down and hit on account deletion. But right now I'm not deleting my account because this account has been like 6 years I'm using, so I'm just using this as a tutorial video. After you hit the account deletion, you're gonna enter a password. After you enter a password, your account will be automatically deleted on Facebook, and no one will definitely be able to find out your information on Facebook. So your account has been deleted permanently on Facebook. So if you like this video and you want me to do more about, or you want me to do more videos about Facebook, or you have a video in mind you want me to do about Facebook, make sure you comment down below. If your boy like, subscribe to your boy channel. And also right now I'm going to see you in my next video, so let's go.